In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect Take Profit Trader to Tradovate. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to takeprofittrader.com. Also put the link to it down in the description for you to check out. From here it should look something like this. And now from here we'll need to create an account. And to do that you'll simply need to go up to click Get Started. And then from here, you'll need to choose a specific plan that you want to purchase and then click Start Now. From here, you'll need to enter your personal details like email address, password, and a confirmed password. From here, you also need to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and click I am not a robot and do this little captcha right here. Then from here, you'll need to click Next. And from here, you'll get a confirmation mail from Take Profit Trader that you'll just need to write into Take Profit Trader and just click Continue. Once you've done all that, it should look something like this inside of the dashboard. And now from here, it's time to create the journey or the challenge. And to do that, you'll simply need to click Create New. And then from here, you'll need to choose the specific plan that you actually want to buy. So let's click Next for this example. And from here, we'll need to choose the CQG data feed because it supports the Tradovate prop. From here, you'll simply need to click Next. And then from here, you'll need to choose either bank account, or PayPal, or wallet, and click I agree, and I agree to all of these. Click Next, and then add your credit card details and pay for the challenge or the account. Once you've done that and everything went through, you will get an email from Take Profit Trader with your login credentials to Tradovate. And to do that, you'll simply need to go up to Tradovate after you have gotten the mail and click Login. You don't need to open a new account, you'll just need to click Login to your account. From here, you'll need to enter the username and the password that Take Profit Trader has provided you. Once you've done that, you will be able to select the trading mode where you can either choose the live trading, market replay, or simulation. I'm not going to explain what the difference is. I think they're pretty self-explanatory, but you'll simply just need to click Start Trading. And from here, you'll be able to see Tradovate's dashboard. Now from here, you can start trading using Take Profit Trader. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!